Guys, Dr. Singh here, functional medicine doctor. When it comes to the fatty liver, it's important to understand the root cause of the problem, because functional medicine is all about, finding the root cause of the problem, right? Because once you know what's going on, the root of the problem, you can fix it, right? So when it comes to the fatty liver, five things you have to remember, right? What's going on. And the number one is your visceral fat. This is why even the skinny people, they can have a fatty liver. It's the fat around your midsection, the fat around the organs that's so dangerous, right? Because directly goes to the liver and, can cause trouble over there. The second thing is your muscle mass, right? So that's why having a good muscle mass maintenance is so important. Because, when you eat, your biggest disposal, the biggest sink in the body to take on all the extra glucose is your muscle. If you don't have a good muscle, then who takes the beating? Poor liver, right? And the third one is how well you are able to process out the fat which is entering the liver, right? And also, what's your carbohydrate intake? This is where the high fructose corn or why is it so bad? Because fructose can be bad on the liver, right? Why? Because liver is the only organ which can convert fructose into glucose. Glucose, whole body can handle that, but fructose, only poor liver, right? That's why high fructose corn syrup is bad. Even the people who are, prone to fatty liver, they need to be careful with the carbohydrate intake, right? And then the number 4 is your genes, guys. Genes. Everyone has a different genetic profile. Some people are just they're not good at pushing the fat out. There could be, this is where functional medicine testing can really help you find out. Are you having any single nucleotide polymorphisms or any issues with your lipoproteins, apoproteins and all that? What's your genetic makeup like, right? So you can work on that early on. And then lastly, guys, can't say enough, your gut, healthy gut, right? Gut-liver axis, very, very important. All right, guys, I hope you like it. And in the next part, let's take a little deeper level. What's going on inside the fat cells, inside the liver cells, insulin resistance, the supplements, the lifestyle things, what can we do? Early detection and all the cool stuff to come. All right, so stay tuned.